My name is Darren Newman. I'm the General Manager here in Wren Urban Nest. So I would say to any hotel managers or hotel owners, if they're considering Snapfix, it's a perfect hub for communicating any maintenance issues that occur on a day-to-day basis in hotels. I've worked in other hotels which didn't have Snapfix, and it was very much, it was more of a, I suppose, disorganized environment in terms of tracking maintenance issues and ultimately getting them resolved. In Wren, before we, started using Snapfix in the hotel, it was very much a word of mouth, an email, a text message. So there was multiple modes of communication, and therefore obviously some bits got missed or lost in communication. So there are knock-on effects of not communicating maintenance issues effectively, and it ultimately damages the guest experience if we as a hotel can't resolve that issue for them in a timely manner. So communication is key. So we have to communicate effectively and efficiently, and most importantly, quickly. So I suppose that's where Snapfix comes in. Snapfix from day one has been great for us here in Wren. We've been able to communicate maintenance problems and issues straight away to everyone, from our accommodation team to our actual maintenance team to our front office team. In terms of usability, Snapfix is very user-friendly application from day one because of the ease of usage and the ease of getting the message communicated to the right departments to get resolved. I've seen a dramatic decrease in negative reviews about maintenance issues. So I suppose in terms of measurable changes I've noticed in Wren since we've started using the Snapfix application, on average it saves us about an hour per task easily.